manufacture mainly kitchens, but anything made of wood. We provide a full design and manufacture and installation service. We have 7 of us up in the studio in London, 5 of which are designers, and then we have 24 people down in the manufacturing facility, the workshop on the south coast. We have 6 Cabinet Vision licenses which we use from the office, and then we have an S2M advanced module which runs our CNC machine down here in the workshop. When we acquired Cabinet Vision originally, we still used our design software to do an initial visual for a customer. We've been using Cabinet Vision for now 3 years, but after a year we dropped the other package and we used Cabinet Vision to do the full design service. So that's the initial pretty design that helps us sell the kitchen. We then, when the customer has been acquired and wants us to make their kitchen, we then put more detail into the design so that it's fully representative of what the customer wants. Then that's passed down to the workshop who can begin manufacture.
I've personally become involved in the Cabinet Vision process when the office have finalised the design with the customer. The job's been signed off, and then the kitchen would be presented to me in Cabinet Vision form in paper, so I can go through and check it. Cabinet Vision is massively important for what we do. It's about 95% of what we manufacture gets run through Cabinet Vision. We've used Cabinet Vision for quite a long time now, but only in recent times have we been using a CNC machine incorporated with Cabinet Vision. Before that, we used to cut all of the components for the cabinets on a dimension saw, and there was a lot of obviously a lot of labour time involved in that. Now using the CNC linked in with Cabinet Vision, it saves probably 20 times per job, and then obviously because of the accuracy of the CNC, it just means that everything's perfectly square, no mistakes. We can actually use it very effectively to help us work out parts before that would just be done with one person only working it out, whereas now everyone in the office can competently create a cabinet in Cabinet Vision that the workshop can understand fully.
Before using Cabinet Vision, when we used alternative design packages, we found it very difficult to make sure that what the customer was wanting and what the designer was wanting was actually the end product out of the workshop. So Cabinet Vision really enables us to design the kitchen or the furniture for the customer, describe it back to the customer, and then that is accurately described to the workshop.
It's so important that Cabinet Vision can reflect and give me all the information we need for each job from each customer, because ultimately if it's wrong, then we're going to make the kitchen wrong, so which hasn't happened so far, so it plays a big part in what we do on a day-to-day basis.
From start to finish, Cabinet Vision really is helping us acquire the customer, fulfil their requirements, and then pass it accurately down to the workshop, both the machinery in the workshop, but also the people in the workshop, so that what the designer and the customer wanted is accurately made by the workshop side. Cabinet Vision actually makes the difference between just banging together a fairly standard design with some plain shaker doors and actually accurately presenting cock-beaded framework or moulding on doors. And now we've been using it for about 3 years, we can produce quite complex parametric chimneys and mantles and ancillary parts, curved units, that really can set apart the design from just a bog standard design to something that's actually going to be a kitchen that makes a difference.